shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot.
Wait, say like that. Oh. We're gonna meet up with the photographers. We've got two. One is taking the photos of our models, and the second one is shooting the BTS of the whole shoot. Here's Jacob, co-founder.
Hello.
Jacob! Are you gonna get me?
My name's Edwin. I'm 6'5". I'm sure that's why you picked me. I'm very excited.
Okay, nice.
6'5". It's pretty simple, right? Just like this, and then
Wait, do you mind me filming? You know.
It's fine.
it's fine. 6'5".
What?
I think a headband could look cool.
Yeah. You have a title again. I don't want it to look a little bit too picky.
I think just at the original, like that's cool. He's an action. Here's Manu taking BTS shots. What's up, Manu? With Edwin, so we want him to like have his hands in the pockets.
Right hand on the right pocket.
That is good. That is good. Got Bella on the photography. Roll your shoulders back so it's like more loose, yeah.
Some of the photos are really good.
Yeah, we've only got like one set of Edwin so far. He was, yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Just film me.
Looks good, Jen.
Yeah. Jen, keep going.
So guys, these pictures already look sick.
You can scroll down as well. If you can get one.
See, these aren't the real ones yet, okay, so like, give us a shape, just like, yeah. The Jazz is that girl. No, but like seriously, she's so oh my god, she looks so good. Wait. Oh my god, she looks so good. No, she looks unbelievable. I think it's a bit higher. And look actually, so it's like, yes.
Raising you up.
Oh yeah, she is.
Can we maybe have you do this pose?
Jacob. How's it going directing so far?
It's good. Just listening. You actually leveled up a little bit. Like stand higher, yes. Just looking down.
It's about to walk into a shot.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Put your chin down more. I'm looking to the left. This is Izzy. She's also a YouTuber, so I'll put her at down.
Works, yeah. Yeah, it does work.
Because then it blends the like not too much. Wait, turn around. I think it looks good. It's raining outside as well. No. Is the pose okay? I think it's cute. I think it makes it a bit different. Yeah, it suits you. Yeah, we'll keep them on for now.
Okay, so I'm Izzy Hershey, but spelled really weirdly. So I'll get Jen to put it below. Yeah, follow me if you want. Follow Jen, subscribe, like, all of that.
This is Zuko.
You alright?
Good, yeah.
Meet you. What's your name?
Jess.
Jess, good to meet you.
Oh yeah. She looks amazing.
Wait, do you want to see how you look? Yeah, can I? Yeah.
You can zoom in and just stay in that position.
What's the pose?
That looks good.
Yeah. Literally what you're doing, like whatever comes naturally as well. Hey guys! I'm at a shoot for Jen right now and her new trousers. These are so nice. I'm not even just saying that because I'm on set. Look at this! I'm being papped as we speak. Look at the trousers. Look at the trousers. Look at the photographers. Look at the set. Look at this. Cute. It's cute. It's cute. Obsessed. Shop now. Okay, I'm out. Okay.
Oh yeah. What shoes are you wearing?
Just those Jordans.
Okay, I think they're fine. It probably looks better with shoes.
Yeah, no, I did that to walk over the paper, innit? You know what I mean?
Respectfully, right?
You got to be respectful, innit?
Exactly.
I might need one of them.
I'm getting Jen soon, I'll give you some.
Thanks, guys.
And go for
You pretty.
because I don't
Yeah, alright. Yeah, from not some alright, got some cook with a recipe.
I don't be guessing. That's not that's an investment. I gotta stay work out.
You look back. You're that size. Yeah. Yeah, that's fire. I like that.
Yeah, that's really cool.
I do whatever I want. I'm kind of looking for fun. You know, Bobby.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I feel like a YouTuber. We're at Jenny's shoot for Sandiebeach. Oh yeah, this is the this is so cool. I need this. I feel like I could generally start vlogging.
He's so sweet. You're in social media as well.
Oh, that looks so cool. Jen, what? Okay, wait.
Flex your triceps as well. I want to see that.
Tea time. Found some arrogant shit. The weapons we got us.
Yeah, you don't have your hair again. It looks good. You ready? Everyone look into the lens.
Well, I got to know the real you. You started dancing the band too. If you out in public and you want your number, just tell me.
I feel like
I like
we got
this,
what we need.
Okay.
That's the wrap, guys.
It's a wrap! Sorry, I was so late.
Say hi, guys.
Hi or hi? Are we saying hi or bye? Neither.
We're just not
What is it
saying
doing? Anything.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Thank you so much, everyone, for like helping out today.
Ankles.
Thank you.